Good morning, good morning.
Hey, y'all.
Yes, indeed.
Man, it is a beautiful day out here in these Puerto Rico streets. We had a good Puerto Rican streets. We had a really good night's rest. Good day of relaxing, getting some chores done. But today, it's an adventure.
Today is El Yunque.
Yes.
Day.
We're going to go up here and trek through the tropical rainforest, and we're going to take you guys along with us. So we got about
Hence the reason the days of rest for this young man.
We got a little drive to get there, so we'll see y'all at the gate. All right.
This is in the access pass. It's gonna be 50% off, $4 per person just for the visitor center. But if you're looking where's the waterfalls, the hiking trails, and the tower,
right,
that's gonna be for free.
Okay.
Make a U-turn outside to the right, continue your way up for 17 more minutes.
Okay.
You pay here just for the visitor center, but if you're looking at the waterfalls, outside to the right.
Okay, we can go outside to the right.
Guys, have fun.
All right,
And
thank
we'll
you.
come back. Thank you.
Right. We'll come back.
Okay, so we learned it's two different entrances. If you want to go to the visitor center, and what else was it?
It's 50% off.
Something else.
Yeah. You know, they got that little thing you can, it's all fancy looking. It's got a
Yeah.
building and all this stuff.
So if you have a National Parks Pass, it's 50% off, which would be $4 per person as of today, February 2024. But there's a second entrance. I should have got that up the road.
I thought you did.
I didn't know. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on, y'all.
Okay. You got it? Here we go.
So we're headed to the second entrance now, which is where the zip line, I mean not the zip line, the waterfalls, the hiking trails, all of those things. So just, what do you say, a little bit up the road?
Minutes ago it filled up. Well, we can come back tomorrow or
Later today?
Hey,
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Do y'all reopen at all later today?
Do you reopen at all today?
Yeah, it's multiple times a day, but when the weekend arrives, we close more than we open. It's so full.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You too.
Lesson learned.
All right.
Get here at 8 a.m.
So what you want to do now?
Or come on a weekday when it's not so busy. It's Friday.
Yeah, it's Friday.
But this was the only day that it was no rain. So we just gonna have to come on a rainy day.
That's it. Or come super early tomorrow.
Yeah, but even if it rains here, you know, it's off and on. Yeah. So even if it's a 98% chance of rain, you know, it's tropical weather, so it comes and goes. So anyway, we're gonna ride back down here to this visitor center, but we're gonna stop at this lookout right here.
Right here. Lookout.
Yep.
I'll stay in here. You get all the wonderful pictures.
Why are you gonna stay? Come on,
I'm coming. I will.
That's quite a nice view from up here, I can tell you that. You can see the whole coast down there. Good gracious. Beautiful. Headed down to the visitor center. Lots of information here. Cool boardwalk. Nice view. Wow. Lots of tours going on today. It's the weekend. Oh, There's the endangered Puerto Rican parrot. Hey guys. Alright, my hubby about to show me where our Airbnb is on this map.
Yeah, I know, right? So we drove all that road.
Uh-huh.
That's the Keel.
Uh-huh.
We went to the beach down here.
Uh-huh.
That's for Harbor.
Uh-huh. There's Seba.
Right? Remember that marina
Yes.
that we drive when we coming from Seba?
Mm-hmm.
That's the airport.
The airport.
That's where the ferry leaves from.
That's where our beach is, where we oh wait, that's not where the beach is.
No.
Go ahead.
So if we coming from there, that's that marina we come up.
Uh-huh.
Then I would turn in. This is our neighborhood. Our Airbnb is right there, and we can see that tower that sits up there from our Airbnb. It's pretty amazing.
Wow, that is what we see. That's amazing. Well, this is where we're hanging out this month. That's pretty cool. Look, and look how big these leaves are. Let me see your head.
Yeah.
Good gracious. That thing is huge.
Goodness gracious, because my head was still peeking out. Or goodness
No,
gracious, my head.
he's so silly. That is a big leaf. How do you know when it's raining, baby?
He said some of these leaves, they can tell when the rain is coming because it turns over and it shows the white part to like protect itself. And like with the rains and stuff, a hurricane and stuff, it does that.
That's
and then
pretty
when
amazing.
it's gonna be a regular day, it's this. So they know the forest tells when the rain is coming.
The
It's amazing.
rainforest is alive.
It's alive, man.
That
It's
is pretty
amazing.
cool.
Yeah.
Look at the size of this leaf compared to my hand. Good night. Yeah, those big old bright red flowers. So pretty. You can roll yourself up in that one like a blanket. That looks like a giant collard green. Sure. Why not? It's a whole classroom behind us. What is that you see?
I don't know. Look at the growth that's on it. Then it's something kind of different. It's like, does it all come from that tree? It's kind of funny. Here comes that big old.
Well, that was pretty interesting so far. I'm back. It's amazing. what our Creator has done with our creation if we just keep our hands off of it. But some people did come in and make it better, so that's good.
Yeah, that was interesting. Look at that. About how they came back over for us and then they planted stuff.
So if you get a chance to see the video while you're here, go ahead and watch a little movie clip because it was actually very interesting. I thought it was going to be boring, but it was pretty informative. So, alrighty. Now this is cool. They're like bodies. That's cool. Look at his arms. It's another one of these trees. Pretty cool. Change of plans. Decided to come on out and ride around, come down to Naguabo, check out the beaches down here, check out the city and the scenery, and obviously it's still beautiful. Got some islands over there. That looks like Windmill City over there. Pretty cool. Is he really going to attempt to walk across this log? That's nice. See, now that's the business right there. Have your own little island. I don't know if y'all can see that property on top, on the right side. Little personal palm trees. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool though. And Makito. Well, this seems like a cool little place to come. Maybe grab a little
fisherman right there.
Oh yeah. And it's not the Gordon's one.
Yeah, it sure look like
Little places you can stop and get a little
something.
drink. That's the fishing dock.
That is actually What's it called? Right there. Lunch.
Well, it sure is a pretty view from up here.
Look at those beautiful
Look at all
flowers
the
right down there.
water. I know. These flowers are gorgeous. So colorful. And I know those.
Let's see what's
How's
down
it?
there.
Okay. A view. Tell you what, you can definitely get you some great views. Get you a little house up on the hilltop somewhere. Yes. Sure is pretty there. Naguabo. Right there for a second. Or in there. Doesn't matter. Oh. I don't know what they did. God, they are so pretty here. Dangerous. Water's so clear. Beautiful here. It's a great spot. Got some locals over there enjoying it. After a beautiful time in Naguabo, we went back to our Airbnb and just chilled till the next morning. We finally made it into the rainforest.
One of the big falls.
Yep, waterfalls are watering today. It's beautiful.
Oh, we come down.
No,
I'll
we'll do
go
that
up.
coming back down. We made it, y'all! We made it into the rainforest. Had to come back, but we here.
And with less people.
Yes, definitely less people. It rained this morning, so it's definitely a rainforest. So we are out here. My husband pushed. He was like, "Come on, we going." I said, "All right, let's go." So we're gonna bring y'all along for the journey.
Tropical places, you know, it rains, just like Florida. It just rains and then it's gone.
Y'all, we are literally in the cloud. They do call this something about Cloud Mountain. I can't remember the Spanish name for it, but basically that you're like up in the clouds. That is literally what we are right now. But we're almost to the top. Alright guys, we made it to our first trailhead. Mount Britain. Oh man.
So we'll go as far as we can.
Okay. Keep going all the way
You say you want to go to the peak?
up here to get to the pink peak. What does that say? Verida. Access something. This is interesting.
Let's go.
All right. If you ever wanted to know what the inside of a rainforest in Puerto Rico looked like, here you go. Well, I was looking for a waterfall up here. There's a teeny tiny one. Look at the root system of that tree. That's different. I don't even know how far we've gotten. But this is what our path looks like right now. So it's definitely quiet. I think you could feel the elevation difference. And I'm looking for some pretty flowers to show y'all. Some of them are a little too far away to capture. But it's pretty cool up here. Definitely in the clouds. There are a lot of birds. The cookie frogs. Oh, there's a flower. Banana what? The name of that red flower?
No.
Oh, I don't know. Banana keat. I think it's a banana keat. Alright, y'all. Gonna keep it moving. Whew. Well, if you did want to continue on to Mount Britain when it opens back up, or to the Yunque point, which is even further in the tallest, one of the tallest points, we got a nice paved road here. So that's pretty cool. Some little purple, pretty purple flowers along the way. So I must say, it is indeed a beautiful trail to walk on, to hike. And just like that.
You're funny for us.
Yep. They have steps in some parts. That's good. This is beautiful jungle, I will say that. So there's plenty of parking. Well, I guess if it's not too crowded, along the side of the road. Right here at the trailhead, and then there's more parking around the corner on the right side. So if you get here early, you'll be all right. So we're about to go in through there, which is the Baño Grande. Back in the day, it used to be where the people who lived here in the forest would come and hang out in the used to be a swimming pool and like a little recreation area for them. So let's go check it out. To El Yunque from here, good gracious, that'd be a long, 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 long hike. Oh yeah, that would have been quite a pool back in the day. It's not a pool anymore, but they even got the little benches around where the families can come and sit. That would have been pretty cool. Dive off the bridge. Natural pool. Can't really read too much of this anymore. Well, it's in Spanish anyway, so I still wouldn't have been able to read it very well. All right, guys. Trailhead number 2. This one is a little bit more precarious. They're all muddy. It's worth it.
Yeah.
It's worth it. Yeah. So this one has a couple of waterfalls that we're gonna find as we make our way on up here. All right, I keep messing up the footage with my face and stuff, but gotta watch my footsteps. A little pool down there. Look at my husband. He already going in. That's what he do. Hey, be careful. Nope, I want to keep it rolling. Maybe on the way back down. He asked me if I want to get in that one. But we got to get to the fall. This trail is definitely a little booger. Just be careful. I can already hear people shouting. I think that's the other one. So it's two different trailheads here. You can go up high or go this way. Oh yeah, this one's a little crowded, but it's cool. I am. All right, y'all, this fall is pretty cool, but we're gonna continue on up, see if we can get to the one closer to the top. So, cause y'all know we all about the adventure, but that's pretty cool. It's a little pool down there that you can get into. When we come back down, I'm gonna get in it. This trail is crazy, but we're getting there.
Should have went that way. That's okay. Tried to show you the way. Not at all. I might have to go do another one if y'all ain't gonna go out there. I said I'm gonna go do it again. If they not going out there, it feels great.
Where the waters cascade, and in the misty spray, our love is displayed. With every drop, with every splash, our hearts overflow. In this watery crash, our fire flowing.
That's how you go.
In the rushing stream, our hearts become one.
Enjoy, baby. Enjoy. While we here.
I feel like everybody's watching you take a shower. Kind of weird. I feel like everybody behind us is kind of watching him take a shower. It's a little weird. right, guys. Well, looks like we're the only ones here now. Everybody's leaving up this precarious trail. So, I'll take it. All right, time to head back up and out. Here we go. All right, y'all. We made it back down to the bottom. There's a couple more steps to go. Almost there. Yeah, the little pool. The first one you wanted me to get into.
Nothing like the other one.
That was definitely worth it.
Got a ball in
I
that
would
one.
do that again.
Absolutely.
Well, this lady, she was like, she got almost right down there to the bottom where we were. She said, oh, I left my glasses. Hey, you want to do that again? She had to go back up.
I think I
That
wear my
pool
glasses down
is a cool one too if you just
here.
want to sit in the
Just
pool
wanna
and
lay
not
down.
want to take the hike.
Yeah.
So that's another option.
Find the one that you
Yes.
slide on.
So definitely do Juan Diego. What is it called? Is it Juan Diego? Juan Diego.
This one right here.
Yeah. Anyway, just do this one when you come. All right. Made it back down the hill. We're gonna tower. That's the first tower that you get to. It's the first tower that you get to when you come up the driving trail. The Yakahu Tower. That's what it's called. We're in the cloud, but I think we still gonna be able to catch a view. So we'll see y'all at the top. We're almost there. We are up in the clouds. Wow. So that's Fajardo down there.
I think that's the key.
Is that Luquillo? Okay. Luquillo then. Yeah, that would be Luquillo, huh? And the water. You can see the shoreline. Just barely over there in the distance. And all that jungle around us. That's beautiful. All right, guys. Headed back down now. I'll catch all of it. These little views coming down are pretty cool. As cool as they were going up. So this was the very first waterfall that we saw when we rode in. So I'm gonna just show it to y'all because it's pretty spectacular and it's a big old waterfall. Let's see if I can capture it. So you can't get into this one like we did the other ones, but it's still beautiful. Whew. Well, y'all, we ended up coming to the Golden Corral here in Candonia, right on 66, not too far from the house. And the itis done set in. This has got to be one of the best golden corrals I've ever been to in my life.
Man, the green beans and the salad was delicious.
Everything was good.
And that's all I'm gonna tell y'all I ate. Green beans
3
and salad.
plates later.
Of green beans and salad.
But it was good.
Except for the ice cream. I had some ice cream and some apple cobbler. It was delicious. I sampled quite a few other things though.
I haven't gotten to my dessert yet. But as y'all can see, we don't even have our plates left. We was just hungry. And we went in. I don't think we could eat any more Puerto Rican food for a minute. So we was excited to get some salad.
Yeah. Salad was good.
Yes.
Salad and the green beans. Delicious.
Yes.
Got to get some green stuff in it.
Absolutely. But anyway, we are almost just about finished up. I'm going to go and take a peek at the desserts just in case.
And I'm going to just take a nap while she get her dessert.
So yeah, it's in the outlet mall here. If you want to swing by, it's a good, very nice,
It's a very nice mall,
golden
period.
corral. Yeah, and cool mall. So they got a lot of, they got like
Family activities.
Yeah, a lot of family activities. They got a zip line, not a zip line. What do you call that thing?
It's like
Obstacle course,
yeah,
zip line thing.
yeah.
They got a bowling alley.
Got
They
a
got
racetrack.
bumper cars. They got a
K1
racetrack.
racetrack,
They got an arcade.
Yeah.
They got everything in this mall.
Got a food court.
Yeah.
Got a
Really
tattoo
cool mall.
place.
Big old nice tattoo studio. I was impressed. All right. Let me go get my dessert. I think. That's the outlet mall. The entrance. It's such a beautiful, beautiful sunset this evening.